Alchemist Radio.
All right, let's go. What I've been doing periodically is minting these NFTs after the price drops hours later. I've been refreshing my browser and checking the changes to see the new mints on our OpenSea landing page. I've been geeking out on nerd mode and switching mint wallets to mint some more until it all sells out. Congratulations! We have sold out of our first fair launch collection, and now we're ready to collect our rewards. Let's make sure our creator wallet is connected. And again, you'll know you have the right wallet selected because this drop settings link will show up here. So let's click on Withdraw All to collect our rewards from all the mints. Click on Confirm Withdrawal. Wait for confirmation. Click Confirm. Let the transaction process. Success. You'll see that Withdraw All is grayed out here and our ETH balance has returned to 0. Now, if you scroll up, you'll see that the green live tag is still open. Under the drop settings link, just switch off this Mint is Active toggle button. Sign to confirm this transaction in MetaMask. And if you go back to our Fjord page, you'll see that our first mint is no longer enabled. We did it. We've just completed one entire Fjord NFTs workflow cycle, from creating a new wallet to ending a fair launch. Cool. Now let's pretend that our fans can't get enough of what we've offered and they are begging for more after we have sold out. Well, that's easy. We already have our smart contract up on a blockchain. In this case, if the project idea is the same, we're going to use this same smart contract and add more art on Pinata and fair launch again. But the JSON files have to be numbered specifically in order for us to accomplish this. That's coming up in our next tutorial.